Okay, today I'm talking about one of the most fundamental forces in visual design, focal point. Fundamental because in every game, every screen, every moment, the eye goes to whatever stands out the most, and it should. Let's talk about it. So, focal point isn't about how to make elements stand out. It's about how critical it is that a single element stands out more than others, to prevent the vague, confusing pablum of uncertainty that happens when players don't know where to look or what to do. Focal point almost always comes from difference. A highlighted navigation button, a pulsing quest marker, an animated icon that wiggles just enough to say, "Notice me, senpai." Color, size, motion, but also screen position, typography, and visual cues like drop shadows, glows, gleams, audio, or other effects are the ingredients of focal hierarchy. So take a look at this example. Right now, things are a bit unclear, but let's scale up the first option. Not bad, but we can also give it an amber border and brighten the enter button to make things a little more certain. Now let's reduce the opacity of the other two options. And why not make the first option animate slightly? Now how about an audio cue in sync with the animation? Those micro moments guide attention through a multi-stage process. Notice this, understand this information, now take this action. Focal point isn't a visual trick, it's a tool. It reduces cognitive load, giving players a golden path. Color shifts, saturation drops, opacity fades, positional changes. These all help establish a clear primary element. And when you combine them with the other Gestalt design principles, proximity, similarity, common region, and so on, you get a UI that guides the player rather than leaving them in a soupy cognitive void. So when you're designing your next screen, ask yourself, what's the one thing the player absolutely needs to see first? Make that element clearly more important than everything else. Because a strong focal point isn't decoration, it's good game design. If you found this content useful, please stay tuned for the 11th and final video on Gestalt design principles in game design, Common Fate. And thank you.